Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Cristel Rodriguez. I am 35 years old and I live in Bulacan, Philippines. I have one daughter and she's already 17 years old. Right now, I am a full-time housemaid for almost 3 years and a half. I am the one who takes care of their two lovely daughters, ages 3 years old and 7 years old. I'm also the one who do the household chores like cleaning the house, washing the dishes, laundry, cooking, ironing, marketing, and sometimes I do car washing. I'm also the one who drive for their children when going to school. I can describe myself as a responsible, hardworking, fast learner, and a honest person. To my future employer, I will do my very best and I will promise that I will finish my contract. Hope you considered my application. Have a good day, ma'am, sir.